Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. And moving over to silver and gold. And what do I actually think about what's going on right now with silver and gold? Is it a boom or is it a bust? Right now, let's have a quick look at gold. If I look at gold right now, there is actually a little bit of a warning sign with gold. And that is, one, we've been going up for so long. Secondly, is that right now there's everyone in the mainstream media is covering gold. That's actually quite bearish, right, guys? Because you don't want that. Guess what was happening 2 years ago? No one was talking about gold, right? That's the time to get involved with it. Now everyone's talking about gold. The tickers are up and all that sort of stuff. This is the worst time to be looking to. This is probably a bad time in the cycle of trying to enter it. I'm not saying that we're going to see a massive crash through here, but when we see a massive spike like we have right now, and we're pretty much right at that high point right now, so we're probably going to break above that when it comes to gold. When looking at gold, when you see mainstream media talking about how good it is, this is, once again, guys, this is how it was with Bitcoin at 17,000. Oh my goodness, it's going up. It's going to keep going up. This is amazing. You know, all this sort of stuff at 17,000. Now 17,000 was the top. It went to 18, 19, and then 20,000. Guess what? And then it pulled back. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see with gold a bit more of a push up moving forward, and then a very nice sharp pullback. But once again, going in line with still a very big bull market, as you can see. It'll just probably be a very strong pullback out of there, and then probably continue up. I do see a lot more higher prices overall for gold, but right now in the short term things, guys, you know, maybe on a short term a little push higher, but I'm actually thinking to see a pullback after this massive move up through there. Now, the similar same thing when it comes to silver, right? Silver actually hit my overall projected target, as you can see through here, and right now silver's through there. So I wouldn't be too surprised if I go to the daily chart. This is the daily chart with silver. In fact, if I just bring up this chart through here, let's bring up the silver daily chart for you. There we go. So the silver daily chart has had a big run up. And the problem with silver is that when silver has massive spikes in one direction, it generally has big pullbacks in the other direction. I truly believe that we're likely to see, once again, like with gold, that we're likely to see a pullback in silver soon. Even if we do get a little push out, a very strong pullback, but I don't believe we're gonna go into a bear market. I truly believe, by looking at this here, that this low down the bottom here is the start of a massive bull trend in silver, and I do see a lot higher prices to come overall. But if I'm looking at this chart here on a weekly basis, on a short term, then I see this thing pulling back through here. So let me know what you think in the chat box below, especially silver. Do you think silver is going to break all-time new highs? Or do you think not? Let me know what you think about silver through there. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you really enjoyed today's video. And once again, guys, if you did and you really would like to get my help, then the best way to do that is just to get started with this $7 trading course. Go to johnsflashsale.com. This is just a little flash sale that I'm running right now. If it's not $7 by the time you get there, I apologize. The sale is over. It's going to be ending real soon. So, and you get all these videos here to help you get started in the market. If you're looking to get started, or if you're struggling right now, then grab the $7 trading course, because even this very first video here, video number 1, the top deadly mistakes, there's 13 mistakes that you're making right now that is causing you to go backwards overall. So go to that right now.